Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're back in Bootle for my second update on the demolition of the old Santander Giro bank. There's nothing happening, but the south wing is all but down. Zoom in. So I might be able to get in a lot closer with the drone today because I'm going to worry about dust. Over to the right, the tall machinery is over there. I think there's a problem with it. There's a lot of guys working around by it. So I'll get the drone up. I'll fly over there first and see what's going on. And I will pop back Friday. I wasn't even going to do like one update a week, but we're going to fly over, getting close to the Santander Giro Bank building too, and also we'll pop back Friday. Hopefully we'll find some action and see some more of the bank being torn down piece by piece. So if you like what you see, click the like, share, subscribe. I'd be so grateful if you did that. And yeah, let's get that drone up, shall we? Welcome back everyone, we are airborne, and as you can see as we're hovering, there's only 3 wings. The south wing is down, gone. All that's left really is that tiny little section in there. It's good to see some comments of people who actually worked in this building. I just want to know why the taller machinery is over there and not by the building, so we're going to fly over and have a look. Let's go across. Maybe there's something wrong with the machine, I don't know. I'm not certain, it just looks like they're all parked up. I think there's somebody down there, but I think it could possibly just be security. No, that's a worker, isn't it? Possibly something wrong with the machine then, if there's like, I can see 2 more guys around by it there. While they're having a look and sorting out that, we'll have a closer look at the old Giro bank. Get in a bit closer. I'm going to worry about dust or anything, have we? So, go back towards, and this is the north wing. Like I said, I think they're going to take down his wings one at a time, and then probably the middle section will probably be the last to come down. It is just basically an empty shell now. Make sure I'm clear of these trees because I'm only about 40 meters up. Getting back in. A hell of a lot of offices, wasn't it? Hell of a lot. I don't know how many. Anyone who knows, let me know. I was hoping to bring some action with another wing coming down today, but if the machine's out of action and broken, it's not really much I can do but just have a closer fly around today, and I'll come back Friday and have a look. There's not many walls left really, to be fair, just the odd couple. They'll hover exactly over the top. Get a bird's eye view of it. It looks like to me they started bringing this wing down too. It looks half tucked into, should I say. So I'll cover this till the end, till it's all gone, and I will keep an eye on the area, what's going to get built in its place. And we'll start dropping. Really much to where the south wing was standing. To be fair, they've done a lot more than I thought, to be fair. Even though it's been like a week since I was here, but they've taken that whole wing down. I mean, this is a case where the pandemic didn't cause people to lose their jobs. They're all pretty much allowed to work from home, so that's the only thing with the machines not going. The dust is settled, so I can have a really good close look at the empty shell, what's left of the Giro bank. Back off and climb a little bit. I don't think we're going to see any action today then, if the machines are down, needing repairs. So I will pop back Friday for one. I was going to do like once a week, but since we haven't seen anything today, hopefully the machines will be going by then and have either fixed, repaired, or whatever's gone wrong with it. So we're going to wrap this one up there. It's a shorter one today. If you like what you saw, click like, share, subscribe. I'd be really grateful for that. If you worked in any of those wings and you've got a story to tell, I'll be happily read the comment. Definitely, you know, it's got a great history of this building. And the first wing of it's gone. Hopefully Friday they'll tuck into another one of the wings, start bringing it down piece by piece. Like what you saw, like, share, subscribe, like I said. Catch you Friday on. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.